Hi, changing a bank account on Groww is easy and quick. When you withdraw money from Groww Balance, the withdrawn money is credited to your primary bank account. If you have registered more than one account with Groww, you can choose the bank that you want to make primary, to which you wish to withdraw the money, on the bank details page. By default, withdrawals are credited to the primary bank account. However, for any particular withdrawal request, if you want to get the credit in another bank account, follow these steps. Go to Groww Balance, then go to Withdraw. Enter the amount below. Choose the bank you want to get the amount deposited. We can switch between banks. Then place a withdrawal request. If I had given my fingerprint, the withdrawal request would have been successful. Please note that only this withdrawal request will get credited to the selected account. And if you wish to make all further withdrawals from this bank only, then kindly update your primary bank. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.